Hello everybody, I'm Sachin. I'm back and with my new video. Let's talk about nepotism because this is a very hot topic that we have been listening since very unfortunate incident that we know what happened to Sushant Singh Rajput, which highly unfortunate. Such a fantastic and terrific actor. Uh, when we talk about nepotism, there are a few big names that we are discussing. Number one is Karan Johar, Salman Khan, and some other ones as well. I am getting names like Sonakshi Sinha, Sonam Kapoor, Alia Bhatt as well, and some other also. But I will discuss about nepotism and Alia Bhatt because I have some problem with this thing. I'll tell you how. Alia Bhatt comes from a film background. We all know that. She's daughter of Mahesh Bhatt. She's daughter of Mahesh Bhatt. Soni Rajan is her mother. Mukesh Bhatt, who owns the production house Vishesh Films, he is her uncle. Vikram Bhatt, director Vikram Bhatt is a cousin, and same with Imran Hashmi, who is a cousin. The problem with Alia Bhatt and nepotism is that, first of all, tell me, is she not talented? She is talented, yes or no? You know your answers very well. So when we talk about Karan Johar and Salman Khan, and in the same bracket you put Alia Bhatt, then there is a problem, and I have my logics. I have my logic for standing for Alia Bhatt. When you talk about her, just see the background history of Vishesh Films. The production house Mukesh Bhatt owns, he has been running since years. For this particular production house, Mahesh Bhatt has made so many films as director, starting from Ashiki, Dil Hai Ki Manta Nahi, and so many. First of all, I'll tell you how many actors they have launched under their banner. Either film is produced by them or directed by Mahesh Bhatt. Let's go back to 90s. You know Sushmita Sen, Miss Universe 94. Everybody knows that. You are watching herself right now in a web series as well. She was launched by a film launched by Mahesh Bhatt as a director in a film as an actress when Mahesh Bhatt was the director in a film called Dastak that was released in 96. But today's generation probably doesn't know that thing because you had to take your memory back till 96, which is 24 years from now. Yes or no? Past. What about Bipasha Basu? She was launched in Raz 2002 release. You know Bipasha Basu very well. What about Lisa Ray? She was launched in Kasur in 2001. What about Sonali Bendre? You know Sonali Bendre? 1994 film directed by Mahesh Bhatt. Name of the film was Naraz. Alright. And a very big name, Preeti Zinta. Her, if I am not mistaken, third release was Sangharsh, produced by Vishesh Films. Again, Mukesh Bhatt, Tanuja Chandra was the director. And the biggest name, I think you all are aware, Kangana Ranaut. Who was the director? Anurag Basu, who doesn't come from a film background. Who produced it? Who produced it? Mukesh Bhatt. That means Vishesh Films. That means the uncle of Alia Bhatt. So now tell me, if somebody comes from a film background and is highly talented, is it a crime? Is it Alia Bhatt's fault that yeah, she's so talented? She's highly talented, in fact, probably the best, if not the best, one of the best actresses we have right now, at least in India. Is it her mistake that she was born in a film family? I don't think so. It's in her genes that she's so fantastic. Her genes plus the talent, whatever it is. We should be concerned with the result that she is producing. Alright, she started her career with the Student of the Year 2012 release, directed by Karan Johar, who is being trolled nowadays. I liked her. She was absolutely stunning looking girl, but I did not find any talent in her apart from looking good. Then I watched Highway. Then I watched some of the other films like Two States, Humpty Sharma ki Dulhaniya. The second part was Badrinath ki Dulhaniya, and so on. Kapoor and Sons, Shandar, Razi, and you know all. So if suppose you become a celebrity, you all become a celebrity, and your kids also want to join the profession that you are a part of, will you stop them? Because I would be alleging you that you are promoting nepotism. I don't think you should stop them. So this is what happening to Alia Bhatt. She comes from a film background. She has a fantastic talented. She's a fantastic actress. But she says she's from a film background. You're trolling her. This should not be the case. Okay. So I hope you will become celebrities, and your kids would like to enter the same profession. So I would be saying that you are promoting nepotism if you allow them to join the same profession. So please think, use your brain before when you are trolling somebody like Alia Bhatt or maybe Sonakshi Sinha. Yeah, Sonam Kapoor, when you say, then I have my doubts. Apart from Neerja, she was absolutely fantastic. Apart from Neerja, I am not a big fan of her. Neither she looks stunning, nor she has a fantastic talent the way Alia Bhatt or maybe Sonakshi Sinha has. Both of them have. So don't put them in the same bracket. And this is the point that I wanted to say since so many days. But I was looking for some time that I could share this with you. So film background given chance to so many people, starting from Ashiki. Ashiki was directed by Mahesh Bhatt, early 90s, 92. Ashiki 2 and Ashiki 3, I think we have. I'm talking about the original Ashiki. Rahul Roy, Anu Agrawal, all were newcomers, but they became overnight stars. Why? Because of Mahesh Bhatt, father of Alia Bhatt. So I hope now you are getting what I wanted to say. Alright, so whenever you share a meme or you forward a WhatsApp post, just learn these things, because that will create some credibility. Yes, this man is not spreading any fake news, and if something is coming from him, that is verified. So I am one of those people who will always spread something which is verified or which is a fact. Alright, so leave Alia Bhatt out of this nepotism kind of a bracket. Yes, as far as Karan Johar is concerned, Salman Khan is concerned, if the allegations are true, I am with them. But when you talk about Alia Bhatt, please excuse her. She is far, far above that. She is not, you can say, a brainchild of Alia Bhatt. Alright, thank you so much. If you like the video, you can like it. Bye.